How to upload a long video on Facebook story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, you tap on create story and you can upload it from your gallery as well. And here, when you tap on share, you'll be able to see that your story has been shortened. So this particularly is a 1 minute to 2 second long video, but only 25 seconds of this part or of this video will be shared on Facebook story because that's what the feature of Facebook is. So what we can do simply to work around is to tap on the Messenger application on the device and tap on any chat over here. Simply select on the gallery, select the video, then tap on edit. Now, as you tap on edit, you can see the option of your story at the bottom left corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and as you do that, it will be shared to the story with a full long video. The video will not be shortened by Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.